Hey, for Uber?
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. What's
Good.
your name?
Oh, no, you gotta say my name. What's the name?
Oh, what's your name?
Oh, no, what name do you have on the app? Because I need to make sure you're the right driver.
You check the license plate?
No. What's my name?
You have to tell me your name. I don't know your name.
How do I know you're not trying to kidnap me? How do I know you...
Because you have all the info on the Uber app.
I don't even have the app on my phone. Somebody else ordered the ride. So what's the name?
Tell me what's your name.
It's not going to say my name. It's going to say my buddy's name. So who ordered the ride?
Okay, show me your buddy right now. Where is he?
He literally just left.
It's your problem. I need the name of the one who...
Say my name right now.
Say my name.
I don't feel safe in here.
Get out of here.
No, I already paid.
You're a scammer.
I already paid for the ride. What's the name?
I just canceled the ride.
Okay. Well, I'm going to sit here. I'll call the cops.
I'll call the cops.
All right, I can sit here. I got nothing else to do. I'm unemployed. I'll sit here all day.
What are you going to tell to the cops? That you don't know your name?
I'm going to tell them my Uber driver doesn't want to give me a ride when we literally already paid. What's wrong with you? Take me right now. Drive.
I won't go anywhere from here.
Why?
Because you're stupid. You're crazy.
Aren't you trying to make money? So shouldn't you start driving? What's wrong? Oh, I forgot. You're a female. You have no logic.
What? Get out of here. Hey, Lucy. We have the man here. You want to get him?
I don't want your car.
Kick his ass.
I'm gonna order another ride. Somebody who will actually say my name.
My friend's gonna find you right now.
I gotta go.